Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another banger of videos, guys. Today we will be reviewing ByBit, and to be specific, we will focus on their ByBit MetaTrader 5. We will also take a look at their own comparison between MT4 and MT5 and see why MetaTrader 5 might be a better option for you. And basically we will talk about what it all is. Kinda, you know, I want to explore it together with you because the tools that it offers are really cool, and if you are into trading, then you definitely should take a look at this, in my opinion. But obviously, guys, before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into this video, guys. So I'm of course Alexandrus, as I said, guys, and I wanted first, before starting, to wish you Merry Christmas, because this is probably the last video before the Christmas. I will squeeze one more video before the new year, but yeah, that's the last one before Christmas, and I'm coming with a true banger because, as I said, I want to discuss ByBit MetaTrader. Obviously, guys, ByBit being one of the best exchanges when it comes to all things crypto. They have a lot of features, they are hosting multiple events, they are very user-friendly, very easy to navigate, and easy to use exchange as well, which is always a great sign, especially if you are new to crypto and if you want to get into this world, you know, and start trading. But also, if you are advanced, then they have many tools for you that can be very helpful and very nice. So in this video, guys, ByBit MetaTrader 5, which is for cryptocurrency, forex, and CFD as well, which is pretty cool. They also have dedicated 24/7 customer support, which is always greatly appreciated. And speaking of events, guys, as you can see, Master Gold and FX trading with ByBit joined the course, ace the quiz, and share 10,000 USDT. So, you know, as we speak, they have this event. It's also still ongoing for 7 days, so if you want, you can go ahead and explore it. But yeah, you can navigate global markets with ease, and they are not only focused on crypto, which I really like about MetaTrader 5, they are also focused on forex as well as CFDs. So honestly, this is not, you know, only for crypto people, but if you are into forex as well, or if you want to start playing around with forex trades or CFDs, which obviously are a little bit more advanced in my opinion. I mean, CFDs are a little bit more advanced between like forex and crypto, but I mean, at the same time, you know, there is definitely people that can trade CFDs better than I trade crypto, for example. So yeah, you get the idea. It's for everyone, like it's for all the niches, you know. Experience unparalleled privileges on ByBit MT5. So there is 500x leverage. So if you are a crazy guy, then you can trade with up to 500x leverage to potentially amplify your trading opportunities. Or, well, if you are aware of what will happen in market, then 500x leverage, this can like literally send your trade to the moon as well. Zero pip spreads as well, leverage the lowest spreads to maximize your potential returns, which is great. 100 plus popular trading pairs, tailored fees, they are very cheap, as you can see. Enjoy zero fees for closing positions, trading fees as low as 3 BPS, and corresponding VIP rates. Minimum closing fees for forex and CFD instruments start at just $3 per lot. There is also top tier liquidity and 24/7 customer support, which in my opinion is very important. So you can take a look at some instruments, obviously crypto being really down right now, but also, I mean, if you are shorting, then well, good for you, I guess. But yeah, I wanted to do a market analysis video before the new year. Let's see, maybe I will be able to squeeze it in. But yeah, MetaTrader, guys, this is the focus, okay? So what are the advantages? ByBit empowers traders with a comprehensive trading platform that facilitates multi-asset trading and offers advanced charting capabilities, valuable economic insights, and more. MT5 elevates your trading experience with superior technology, flexible order management, and comprehensive market analysis tools, ensuring every trade is informed, effective, and efficiently executed. So they have more than 90 indicators, which also will help you make your trades more analytical and successful. Expert advisor, automate your trading with powerful customizable EAs, and also trade on the go. You can basically use any device to make your trades, which is great. They have a whole dedicated guide how to get started, how to log in into your MetaTrader 5 account, how to reset your password, all that stuff, how to get started, you know. Everything is explained. I will link this explanation down below so you can get familiar with how to get started. It's very straightforward process, honestly, but I get that some of you might need a guide for this. It's always better to, you know, like I'm the type of person that will have this guide on second screen and essentially just follow it. So I mean, I don't judge anyone. Get started in minutes. You sign up to your MT5 service, then you transfer your funds, whatever amount you want, really. There is As you can see, they even say there is no minimum deposit required, and then you connect to your MetaTrader 5 and you can start trading. And as you can see, as it was stated above, they are available pretty much on any device. You can trade all the commodities, you know, cryptocurrency, forex, CFD, on any devices, which is always greatly appreciated as well. So available for Android and iOS. So for example, if you have an iPad or tablet or something, I mean, big screen is cool, especially if you're looking at the charts, but anyway, you can even trade on your phone, right? And then also obviously there is a support for Windows computers as well as Mac OS. I know that many of my fellow traders use MacBooks, so yes guys, you are covered, you don't need to worry about this. So they are obviously fully legal, a legal entity. There is some FAQ here and then some social medias, guys. So they have this comparison, MT4 versus MT5, which should you use to trade crypto. As you can see, it's 7-minute read type of article, and it highlights all the takeaways, you know, and well, it basically compares the two, okay? So MetaTrader 5 offers more advanced and comprehensive trading experience compared to MetaTrader 4, especially for crypto markets. MT5 provides broader market access, more technical indicators, and additional order types, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. And this is what I really like about this, that basically you can also get started with those trades being a newbie, because it's very user-friendly, it's very easy to navigate and use. Obviously, you still need some knowledge, but if you want to, you know, just start trading, obviously with smaller budget, smaller risk, so well, I assume at least that if you are new to trading, you won't be jumping in straight into the deeps of trading, going like 100x or 500x leverage. No, that's not what you should do as a new trader, in my opinion at least. But yeah, you can also get started with MT5 being a newbie. So you can now trade forex, commodities, indices, and crypto via ByBit MT5. This is the biggest thing, in my opinion, about MetaTrader 5 is the fact that you can also trade those other commodities. You have forex, you have indices as well. So it is pretty cool tool for investing in itself, okay? And it has all of those advanced tools to help you invest and trade better, okay? So that's simply the biggest advantage of the MetaTrader 5, in my personal opinion. So it's definitely worth exploring. But yeah, then there is also the MetaTrader 4. That's their platform. So they are popular multi-asset trading platform developed in 2005. So obviously, like MetaTrader 5, I mean, guys, by the logic of it, it's also newer, so it makes the sense, right? So it provides advanced charting tools, automated trading capabilities, and access to a wide range of financial instruments, including forex, stocks, and commodities. Then you have full explanation of how MetaTrader 4 works, what are the benefits and risks. So they are also very user-friendly. They have advanced charting tools, but risks, there is complexity and learning curve, which, I mean, you know, there will be some learning curve to any software, anything related to trading. Even if you trade manually, let's say you want to trade some futures, right? You can do this on ByBit too, you can totally do it. But guys, have some knowledge before trading, because you can be burned, and I'm saying this, you know, myself. I've been burned on trading many times, and all the traders that trade that are profitable traders now, they've been burned in the past, okay? This is part of the learning route that you need to take. You will take some losses, okay? So be aware of that. It's, you know, it's not always going up, okay? Sometimes you need to take a little down to go back up. You feel me? It's like, it is what it is. So then we have MetaTrader 5, guys, which is the multi-asset trading platform developed by MetaCode's Software Corp for trading forex, stocks, futures, CFDs, and commodities. Obviously advanced charting tools as well. You have an explanation how it works, and then the benefits. You have obviously diverse market access, because you have different range of financial markets, as well as advanced analytic tools. As you can see, they include 44 analytical objects, 38 built-in indicators, and the ability to create custom indicators as well using the MQL5 programming language. So you can create your own indicators, and this can help you execute profitable trades. Risks, complexity for beginners. Obviously, guys, as I said that right before, everything will have small learning curve, but in my opinion, MetaTrader 5 is easier to use. That's just my opinion, obviously, but I think it's easier to use. Security risks, well, obviously it's legitimate, but as they say, you always have to be sure that you are basically using the real deal. There is many scammers, you know, they will tell you to share your private keys and stuff like that. Never trust anybody online, guys. I can't stress this enough, and it really hurts my heart that people are getting banned online. Never trust a stranger that is chatting to you on your Facebook account or whatever, man, like, really, you don't know the people, even if they pose as your friend or as someone from your family, man, never trust anybody online, okay? Meet up, even if, as I'm saying, you know, there are scams that involve impersonating family members and stuff, you know, always make sure you are talking to the real person, okay? But yeah, back to MetaTrader we go. But honestly, guys, I think it's something that I should put out on those videos. I'm quite a big YouTuber when it comes to crypto. I know that also many beginners watch me. I can't stress it enough. I don't want any of you to lose your money, okay? At the end of the day. So that is the differences listed here. Obviously, MT5 has larger selection of built-in technical indicators, wider market access, and also MetaTrader supports more order types than MT4. So that is really, honestly, in my opinion, there is, you know, you have all the signs to use the MT5 instead of MT4, okay? So that's what it is. So guys, let me know in the comment section of this video, what do you think about MetaTrader? Maybe you are already using MetaTrader and you just clicked on this video to see what I will say about it. But in my opinion, it's a great tool that can be utilized for successful traders or for traders that want to learn better trading as well. So guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you are already using it. How was your experience? How is your experience also if you are still using it? And yeah, that will be it from me for today. Again, guys, Merry Christmas. I hope that you enjoyed this video and see you in the next ones coming out soon.